Here in this video I am going to explain you about the image formation by the convex lens. How you will make the image formed by the convex lens for the different positions of the object. So here one condition I am going to discuss with you, that is when the object is beyond 2f. What is 2f? 2f is the position of the center of curvature. Okay, so see, I have drawn this convex lens. You will draw first this line, dotted line, and then make this curvature. Okay, now after that what you will do, you have to take the equal distance between the optical center and focus, and between focus and 2f, because you all know very well that the center radius of curvature is twice of f. तो जितना डिस्टेंस आपने ओ और एफ के बीच लिया है उतना ही एफ और 2f के बीच में होना चाहिए. तो आप ऐसे रखिएगा इसको. ओके, तो आई हैव टेकन the 3 centimeter distance from optical center to focus and 3 centimeter distance from focus to 2f. Now object is placed beyond 2f, so place the object here. This is the position of the object. Okay, and you have to draw the light rays. So when you have to draw, you are going to draw the light rays. So first ray you will take like this, a little bit, this is more, okay. Now take this object and draw this line which is parallel to principal axis. So this line parallel to principal axis, and this is a ray of light which is parallel to principal axis. Yesterday I told you about the rules for the drawing the incident ray after refraction. So the ray which is parallel to principal axis, after refraction it will go through the focus from the on the other side. So this is the direction of the refracted ray. Okay, and another ray you can take which can go through the optical center. One ray you can take going through the optical center. So suppose this is the ray which I am taking going through the optical center. तो optical center से जो ray जाती है वो undeviated चली जाती है, and now this is incident and this is refracted. Now these two rays intersect at this point on the other side. So you will be getting the image at this point like this, and this image is inverted image. An inverted image is always real image because these two rays are actually meeting at this point. So when the rays are actually meeting at a particular point, then you will be getting the real and inverted image. Now you have to write the different positions of the conditions. So here you have to write the three things: nature of the image. What is nature? Real and inverted. And position of the image, that is between f and 2f, between f and 2f on other side. And third is size. So you are observing the size is smaller than the size of the object, is smaller than object. Okay children, so these three things you have to write in all the image formation through the convex lens, and you have to take only the two rays, whether it is one is parallel to principal axis and second you can take by going from the optical center.